So I needed a new mouse. Nope, that's not actually true. So I wanted a new mouse. It's not exactly how it happened. So someone made me want a new mouse. So I got the Logitech Mx Master 2S. We're gonna check it out right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and I have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. So I don't actually buy a lot of computer hardware anymore. As a matter of fact, before I started the YouTube channel, I was only using my smartphone and tablet to browse the internet at home. And I watched all my YouTube content on my TV through either like a Fire Stick or Roku or something like that. So it's kind of rare when I go out and buy some computer equipment or computer hardware accessories, but I kind of got the envy bug. You see, as anyone who watches this channel knows, I love everything blue. So as soon as I see something blue, I kind of want it. I shouldn't want it as much as I want it. So when I saw this really cool looking mouse that was blue and everyone was talking about how amazing it was, I was like, all right, I guess I have to go buy it. So I went and got it. It's the Logitech Mx Master 2S. It's supposed to be the last mouse you'll ever need. It looks so cool because it's so blue. I'm weak at the knees already. Let's get it out of the box. So here it is, the MX Master 2S. And true to its word, this thing is quality. I love Logitech and their mouses and stuff. I actually had a couple of them. I've been going between Logitech and Microsoft for the past several years, so it's no surprise that Logitech has a solid contender on their hands. But one of the things I like about this thing right off the bat is how, like, I put my hand on it and it fits like a glove. Ace Ventura for the win, son. But it fits really so perfectly in my hand, I gotta be honest. Like, I don't get hand cramps or anything with this thing. It's just perfect. There's buttons everywhere, even underneath the thumb pad. If you click it, I mean, of course you can customize it to do anything, but it brings up this really cool screen. There's also a scroll like roller right up top above the thumb, and then your back and forward buttons directly to the right of those. Of course, you have your left and right click, your scrolling, and the button above the scroll wheel allows it to go through either smooth mode or the kind of clickety mode. Now, one thing I will say right off the bat that I'm not a huge fan of, I like the back and forth buttons, but they're so small that I feel like I'm never quite clicking the right one. Amazingly though, I always do. Like, I'm kind of perplexed by this. Normally there's just one button there, at least on the Microsoft mice, and I've used it for closing windows or going back or whatever. So I'm not really used to having two there. So I feel like I'm gonna get it wrong, but somehow I never get it wrong. It's Logitech witchcraft. Some other stats, 4,000 DPI, which, you know, if you're not a mouse person, you might go, is that good? Yeah, it's pretty good. 70-day battery life, that's sick, that's awesome, that's amazing. And the cool thing is it's rechargeable, so you don't have to keep getting the AA's out. And what they say is if you plug this in for 3 minutes, it will get you through the entire day. So if you forgot to charge this thing and you got 3 minutes, you're gonna get through the day. And that's actually a great thing because I know when I'm at work, and the battery dies in my mouse or my keyboard, like I'm constantly struggling to find batteries for them. And it has this thing called flow control where you can like copy one thing from one computer, scroll your mouse over to another computer and then paste it on that computer. That's super cool if you have two computers side by side where you need to have two computers right in the same area. You know, like everyone does. Now I'm poking fun, but of course there are some people who have that exact situation, and for that, you're good to go. I think for 90% of us, this isn't a thing, but a darn cool thing that they've added, and they didn't even have to. It's just a cool feature. But for me, the real win is the program this comes with that you can customize all the buttons with. As you can see here, you can literally take any button and pretty much make it anything you want in any program you have installed on your computer. So you basically have one button do one thing in, say, Chrome, and do a completely different thing, for example here, in HitFilm. And that is awesome. That's why you're paying so much money for this thing. I mean, it's almost $100 normally priced, and if you get it on sale for about 70 or so, you know, that's fine. But that's a lot of money for a mouse. So it's got to bring that extra functionality. And the ease of use when you're in a program, maybe like Adobe or something like that, where you need to go between different screens and shortcuts, to have it on the mouse may make it worthwhile. And for me, it's blue. So, you know, it's worth it. But really, this thing does 3 things that I need it to do to spend that money. Number 1, it fits my hand perfectly, no more hand cramps. It's something I've struggled with for a very long time, and this thing is absolutely a champ at getting rid of those pains. Number 2, the customizations of the buttons across any program you have on your computer is a lifesaver. And number 3, that battery life, 70 days plus a charge of 3 minutes get you through the day. Come on, man, that's the way they should be. That's the way all wireless mouses should be. They should be that reliable, that quick to charge, and last that long. This is the last mouse I'll ever buy, at least until it breaks and then I have to get another one, or they make a better one, or one that's more blue, or someone makes me want another one. I'm easily influenced. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.